Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary, I said the mythological Tlites boys to put those luxurious toes up in the game. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Tlites boys down, or will the Tlites boys take that luxurious foot and dip those luxurious toes down the devil's throat and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister, Tlites boy style. Okay. Oh, he got his foot all the way down. He on somebody's tail. He's on somebody's tail. He got a scent. Oh, is that the Tlites boy right there? Is he in an SUV? I think that's him. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my diabolical toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Man, he in a Mercedes SUV. What kind of SUV is this? Is that a GLK? I think that's what it's called, a GLK. It's one of them little boys. I don't know if those is turboed or naturally aspirated. But he getting busy. He running like Stephen A. running from the basketball players. They tired of your mouth, Stephen A. They tired of you talking that trash. They tired of you. And not to mention they tired of you. Your hairline is tired of you too. It's walking further and further back. Cut it off. Go bald head. Yeah, I think that's one of them GLKs. Werewolf Pack, is those turbo or naturally aspirated? He moving. I don't think a Pookie would be in one of those. Pull over, Chad. We just wanna talk. We got cookies and treats back at the interrogation room. We just wanna talk, baby. That's all. Oh, he moving. Do those got sports mode? Because he acting like he do. Look at the camera though, man. He got one of those twerk version. The camera is twerking. Man, I'm gonna throw up if it twerk anymore. Man, they on the shoulder, they in Gatorville like that? Ain't no way. I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Whoa, he almost hit that car. That's crazy. I like the way these little SUVs look, but I never thought they would be, I never thought they was fast. This look like one of those, like your auntie. This is one of those auntie Benzes. Your auntie pull up in a new Benz and she got the smile on her face because she wants you to give her some credit. She's smiling hard like, I see you, auntie. She wants you to say, I see you, auntie. I see you with the Benz, auntie. It's faster than I thought it would be. Officers are doing 127. I can say one thing, the handling is great. The handling on that little thing is great. That little doo-doo can got some good handling. Chunking the rocks. 117. Moving. Pull over, Musty. Just pull over. Nah, they ain't pulling over. Look at that thing. Told you to go to the grocery store, not get into a police chase. Why is the... Oh, I thought one of the lights was out. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, Werewolf Pack. I would have thought it would not be this good. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. Would I buy one of these? Absolutely not. You might want to buy one for your baby mama. Now, would I get the baby mama one? Of course, but I don't have a baby mama, so no. But if you got a baby mama and you get her one of these little boys right here, she gonna think you bought her something special. She gonna think you bought her a G-Wagon. You bought her a T-Wagon. You bought her the G-Wagon's little brother, the GLK. Is it a GLK or am I saying it wrong? Maybe it's a GKL, I don't know. Let's see. 130. It must top out at 130. 135. Because I don't see how a super extreme trash. Oh, he going off road on him. Oh, it handled that real good. It went through that little dirt median pretty easy. He might be on to something, y'all. He got him. Nah, bro, you made a boo-boo, man. The cop didn't have to do none of that. I see you, though. You're thinking outside the box. Okay. Officer Trevor. Oh, he lost it, y'all. How did he lose it? Oh! Hold on. He's out of there. Did he get in footy? Twin turbo toes. He losing traction. He losing traction. His feet did a burnout. Look at the officer. No athletic ability. None whatsoever. Come on, man. If you don't get away from this officer, he could barely jump over that bush. If he catch you, you trash. Ain't no way that officer could catch me with that athletic ability. Naturally aspirated toes, or we looking at twin turbo toes? How you do the burnout? How you do a burnout, though, on you with your feet? My man did a burnout with his... They caught him? I know you lying, man. And it's a pookster? Come on, Pookie. What are we doing here, bro? Why? Can we get a break? We don't care what we run in, do we? We don't care what kind of car we run in. If it's got an engine in it, we run it. Your girlfriend told you to go to the store, man. Your baby mama said go get some formula. She gave you her food stamp card and everything. And this is what you do? We got to look at the bright side, y'all. At least he did not tear her car up. At least he did not tear her car up. She can get to work tomorrow. Look at him. Bro, you look like you in shape. How did he hawk you down? He said he couldn't get traction. He said my feet could not get traction after I did that burnout. My feet couldn't get no more traction. He had ball tires on his feet. He had ball feet. He couldn't get no traction, man. Not another pookster, man. Dang, Pookie. Why? Now, we all know Chad is a Pookie. Lee Chung is a Pookie. Hector, Jesus, all are Pookies, man. Leroy, Ray, they all Pookies, but the original pookster is a black guy. So come on, Pookie. What are we doing? We can't catch a break. Look at him. Look at him. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. The GLK was performing quite well. The only problem was, and let's be honest, Pookie was behind the wheel. And see, Pookie, he doesn't know how to slow down on curves, you know. Pookie want to keep going faster and faster and faster. He does not know how to estimate how fast they're going to turn. Shout out to the Pookster for showing us what the GLK can do. I'm quite impressed. I'm pretty sure this wasn't the top version. This was definitely his baby mama's vehicle, because I don't see Pookie going to the car lot saying, let me get the GLK. Pookie looked like a G-Wagon type of guy, or as you guys like to say, we only like Mopars. Hellcat this, Hellcat that, Scat Pack this, Scat Pack that. But hey, this thing definitely had some good performance. Was it super fast? No, it had some solid acceleration, but the handling was superb. The handling was great. I don't know what the Germans be doing to make these cars handle so great, but they definitely be having them handling great. They definitely have good acceleration. They got great handling. I can say they do. It seemed like all the Germans, everything got to be performance. It don't matter what kind of German vehicle is, the performance is always going to be up there. It might be a notch ahead of the American performance cars. You ain't getting in the Chevy Traverse thinking you going to have some performance. It just ain't going to happen. Shout out to Pookie. You did it again. You proved everybody right again. A statistic. Hopefully Pookie can change. We not going to give up on you, Pookie. We not going to give up on you, because guess what? The legendary King Tlites was a Pookie once too. I grew up in the hood just like you. And I changed, so I know you can change. You just got to say, you know what? I'm tired of being a pookster. I'm ready to give my life over to who? The good guys. Stealing. That's why they was chasing him, y'all. He was at Home Depot stealing. Stealing at Home Depot. Come on, bro. But with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was great. Give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Hey, I can handle the good and the bad. But make sure you do comment. Make sure you share the video. If you know somebody looking to get a GLK, they want to go buy a GLK, well, this is the video for them because the performance is great. If you want to see how the GLK performs in the wild before you go buy it, go check this video out. Send it to somebody looking to get them a cheap, affordable Mercedes. But with that being said, let me leave y'all with some what? Positivity. Time's a ticking. That means you ain't got all day. You only got minimal time on this planet. I said minimal. That means you don't have a long time. I know you think 70, 80 years is a long time. It's merely a blink and it's over. You start out, you're young, you're a kid, you're playing in the sandbox. You blink your eye, you're 20 years old. You blink again, you're 40. You blink again, you're 60. You blink again, you're in a box. That means it's done for. And you out here wasting time with negative people like you got all day. You out here just having fun every day. Don't you want to chill out? Don't you want to build something for the next generation? Now, you may not want to have no kids, but don't you want to leave the planet better than it was before you got there? Don't you want to leave it with a little bit of good? Don't you want the people to say, it was a good dude, that was a good woman? Or do you just want to be a diabolic in your whole life? That's the decision you got to make. But guess what? You ain't got all day to do it. You don't got forever to do it. Make some better decisions. Get your life right. Stop doing crazy things like this guy because life is too short to waste time. Time is the most precious thing on this planet. It's not money, it's time. I've said it before and I'll say it again. A rich person will give up all the money in the world for another 100 years, another 50 years. Trust me. When the end comes, the rich person is saying, man, I wish I had more time. Nobody gets more time than they're allotted. The Creator gives you a certain amount of time. You better make the best of it. And with that being said, if you are going to be a diabolican, I will react to you running from the police in a police chase. I will react to your police chase. I will react to you and I will make an honest guess, an honest opinion of why you're doing it and what you was in when you did it. I'm just going to give my honesty. But let me say something to you and listen to me good. If you are going to be a diabolican, a goofy goofball, you might want to what? Get you a better Mercedes Benz.